How turmeric helps in cancer.
Cumin, the main ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to slow the growth of cancer cells and reduce inflammation in the body. It helps in neutralizing free radicals which cause cell damage and may lead to cancer. Additionally, it supports the immune system and making it stronger to fight against disease. Turmeric, a golden yellow spice commonly found in kitchens, have been used for centuries in traditional medicines. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties. It is known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, immune-boosting effect. While turmeric is not a replacement for medical treatment, but it can serve as a complementary remedy to support overall health. How many ways to use turmeric for health benefits? There are multiple ways to consume turmeric depending on personal preference and health goals. First one is turmeric with black pepper. One of the best ways to enhance curcumin absorption by it combining with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine which increases curcumin absorption by 2000%. How we can make it? Simply mix half to 1 teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper in warm water and drink it once or twice daily. Second one is turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, also known as golden milk, is an excellent way to incorporate turmeric into the daily routine. Mixing half teaspoon turmeric with warm water like dairy or plant-based milk along with black pepper and honey. It can reduce inflammation and boost immunity and promote better sleep. Third one is turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is another effective way to detox the body and support cancer prevention. Boiling 2 cups of water with half teaspoon of turmeric and pinch of black pepper creates a simple yet powerful health drink. Also add some honey or lemon. It can enhance the flavor and provide additional benefits. Fourth one is turmeric capsules. For those who require concentrated dose of curcumin, turmeric supplements are available in capsule form. Taking 500 or 1000 mg of curcumin extract with black pepper once or twice a day can be beneficial. However, it is important to consult a doctor before taking a high dose supplements. The last one is turmeric paste for external use. For skin related conditions, wounds or even skin cancer, turmeric can be applied directly to the affected area. Mixing turmeric powder with coconut oil or aloe vera gel creates a healing paste that can be applied to the skin. Turmeric can be consumed at different times depending on the desired health. In the morning, it is best for detoxification and improved digestion. Before bed, it helps with inflammation, better sleep, and support cancer prevention. With meals, it has absorption when consumed with healthy fats like coconut oil or olive oil. Turmeric benefits everyone. It has specific advantages for men and women. For men, it supports prostate health, reduces inflammation, and improves testosterone balance. For women, it helps in breast cancer prevention, balance hormone, and improves skin health. Turmeric can be used as a part of long-term health plan. For prevention, it is safe to consume in small doses daily for life. The regular consumption for 3 to 6 months or longer may help, but it should be used alongside medical treatments for cancer support. It is recommended for 2 to 3 months and dosage can be adjusted based on results for chronic conditions. Now we conclude this video. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural remedies with potential cancer-fighting properties. It offers numerous health benefits like reducing inflammation, boosting immunity, and supporting overall well-being. However, while turmeric is beneficial, it should never be used as a replacement for medical treatments. The best approach is to combine it with a balanced diet, healthy lifestyle, and proper medical care for optimal results. Thank you for watching. If you like it, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.